Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial, an easy way to do maths. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Hi friends, today's topic is Class 8, Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 2.4, 7th problem. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform, shirt material that cost him 50 rupees per meter and trouser material that cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600 rupees. How much trouser material did he buy? Solution: short trouser are in the ratio 3:2. The length of shirt is equal to 3x meters. Length of trouser is equal to 2x meters. Now cost of each shirt per meter is equal to 50 rupees. Cost of each trouser per meter is equal to 90 rupees. Per meter shirt is 50 rupees. Then how many meters are there total? 3x meters. So cost of 3x meter shirt is equal to 50 into 30, that is equal to 150x rupees. Next, cost of trouser per meter is equal to 90. Total how many are there? 2x meters are there. That is cost of 2x meters trouser is equal to 90 into 2x, that is 180x. Again he sold them, he got profit. Profit on shirt is equal to 12%. So SP of shirt is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100, that is 150 CP. So 150x into 100 plus 12 by 100. 100 plus 12, 112, this 150 and 100 here. The 0 becomes cancelled. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Again with the 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So 3x into 56, that is equal to 168 rupees. That is the SP of shorts. Next, profit on trousers is equal to 10%. So SP of trousers is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100. CP of trousers is 180x into 100 plus 10 by 100. 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. So here 0 0, here 0 0. So 18x into 11, 11 8s are 88. 11 1s are 11 plus 8, 19, that is 190x rupees. The total SP is equal to 168, that is of shorts, 190x, that is of trousers. So total 366x. But by problem, total SP is equal to 36,600 rupees. We got 360 rupees. X is equal to 36,600. These two are equal. This is total SP. This is also total SP. Now X is equal to, I am setting this the 366 that side. So 36600 by 366 becomes cancel and 100 is there. So X is equal to 100. Now the length of trouser material is equal to, those are 3:2 ratio. So 2 into X is equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200 meters. That is the solution. Next, 8th one. Half of the head of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond, find the number of deer in the herd. We don't know the number of deer in the herd, so I am assuming it as x. Number of deer in the herd is equal to x. Half of them are grazing. So half are grazing. How many are remaining? Remaining are x by 2. Half are grazing. In that half are there. That is 3 x by 2. Now in that what they gain? 3/4 of the remaining are playing. So in this x by 2, 3/4 are playing. So in this 3/4 of playing, that is equal to x by 2 into 3/4 of playing, that is 3x by 8 of playing. Remaining are drinking water. How many left? X by 2 left. In that x by 2, 3x by 8 are playing. The remaining is 9. So total x by 2 minus 3x by 8 is equal to 9. Take LCM for these two. 8 is the LCM. 2 4s are 8. So 4x minus 3x is equal to 9. This is x by 8 is equal to 9. And x is equal, when it comes this side, 9 into 8 is 72. So the number of birds the head is equal to 72.